Welcome to Sunil Maths tutorial. In this video, we learn some problems from continuous random variables. Let us see the problem. A continuous random variable capital X. For a continuous random variable capital X, the PDF is f of x is equals to k into x square e power minus x, comma where x greater than or equals to 0. Then find the value of k, mean, variance, and standard deviation of the random variable capital X. So the PDF of the random variable capital X is given by the formula f of x is equals to k into x square e power minus x, and where x greater than or equals to 0. By the definition of probability density function, integral minus infinity to plus infinity f of x dx is equals to 1. We learn this as one of the property of probability density function of a continuous random variable. Integral minus infinity to infinity f of x dx is equals to 1. No need to write the limits, no need to express the limit, just you leave it. Integral f of x dx is equals to 1. But in the problem we have, small x is greater than or equals to 0. So now you must take the limits from 0 to infinity. X greater than or equals to 0. So the lower limit of the integration is 0. But we don't know the upper limit, so you must take plus infinity. Integral 0 to infinity. What is f of x? K x square e power minus x dx is equals to 1. That's it. K is a constant, so you can write like this. K into integral 0 to infinity x square e power minus x dx is equals to 1. And you observe that integral f of x into g of x, integral f of x into x. This is the formula. Here it is. F of x integral g of x. Observe the formula. F of x integral g of x dx minus integral f dash of x integral g of x dx whole dx. So by using this formula, you have to calculate this integral. Here x square is f of x, and e power minus x is g, or g of x. X square is f of x and g of x is e power minus x. So you get this x square into e power minus x by minus 1, because integral e power ax dx, integral e power ax dx is equals to 1 by a into e power ax, 1 by a into e power ax. So you can write here, instead of a we have a is equals to minus 1 we have. So e power minus x by minus 1 minus integral f dash of x. What is the derivative of x square? F dash of x. You get 2x. And again integral g of x, e power minus x by minus 1 dx is equals to 1. Simplify. Again k into minus x square e power minus x plus 2 into integral x e power minus x dx. Integral x e power minus x dx. Again you have the integral fg formula. Again you have to substitute integral fg formula. Observe that 2 into here x square, here x minus x square e power minus x plus 2 into, this is the formula again. F is equals to x, and g is equals to e power minus x. F is equals to x and g is equals to e power minus x. So x e power minus x by minus 1 minus 1 into integral e power minus x by minus 1 dx. Here this 1 is from f dash of x. F dash of x is equals to 1 because f of x is equals to x. F of x is equals to x. So f dash of x is equals to 1. That's it. By simplifying, we get this finally. K into minus x square e power minus x plus 2 into minus x e power minus x minus of e power minus x. The lower limit of x is 0. Upper limit of x is infinity, which is equals to 1. Here remember that e power minus infinity is equals to 0. Remember that e power minus infinity is equals to 0. So if you substitute the upper limit infinity, the whole upper limit becomes 0, because e power minus x is here, here, and also here. In every term we have e power minus x. In every term we have e power minus x. You get e power minus infinity. This is the upper limit. So e power minus infinity is equals to 0. Complete upper limit is 0. Now the lower limit. Again, the value of x is equals to 0 in the lower limit. X square, you get 0. X, again you get 0. But here there is no x term, and e power 0 is equals to 1. And e power 0 is equals to 1. That's why here we get k into 0 minus 2 into minus of e power 0 is equals to 1. Which means 2k is equals to 1. which means k is equals to 1 by 2. K is equals to 1 by 2. If k is equals to 1 by 2, then automatically f of x is equals to 1 by 2 into x into e power minus x. F of x becomes 1 by 2 into x square. I'm sorry, 1 by 2 into x square. If k is equals to 1 by 2, then f of x becomes 1 by 2 into x square into e power minus x. That's it. Now let us calculate the mean. So remember that to find the value of k, we use this formula. Actually, it is integral minus infinity to plus infinity. F of x dx is equals to 1. F of x dx is equals to 1. That's it. Now the mean x bar is given by integral x f of x dx. The mean x bar is given by integral x f of x dx. Integral x f of x dx. So let us substitute every term. X bar is equals to integral of x f of x 1 by 2 x square into e power minus x dx. You simply get 1 by 2 integral x cube e power minus x dx. 1 by 2 integral x cube e power minus x dx. Now you observe that again integral f of x into g of x formula. Integral f of x into g of x formula. Integral f of x into g of x dx, which is equals to f of x into integral g of x dx, integral g of x dx minus of integral f dash of x, integral g of x dx, integral g of x dx, again whole dx. This is the formula. In this formula, we substitute f of x is equals to x cube, f of x is equals to x cube, and g of x is equals to e power minus x. F of x is equals to x cube, f of x is equals to x cube, and g of x is equals to e power minus x. What is the derivative of f of x? What is f dash of x? Derivative. F dash of x is equals to 3x square. What is integral g of x? Integral g of x is equals to integral g of x dx is equals to, you get e power minus x by x. E power minus x by x. That's it. We substitute that formula. Here we get this 1 by 2 x cube e power minus x by minus 1 minus of integral 3x square e power minus x by minus 1 dx by applying this formula. So after simplifying, we get this 1 by 2 minus x cube e power minus x plus 3 into x square e power minus x dx. So it is very difficult to apply integral f of x g of x repeatedly. So there is a formula, there is a shortcut according to integration. This is integral x square e power minus x dx is equals to integral x square e power minus x dx is equals to minus e power minus x square plus 2x plus 2. Apply this formula here. By heart this formula, integral x square e power minus x dx is equals to minus e power minus x square plus 2x plus 2. By substituting this formula, we get this step 1 by 2 into minus x cube e power minus x minus 3 e power minus x plus x square plus 2x plus 2, and the limits are x is equals to 0 to infinity, right? By making e power minus x common, you get this minus 1 by 2 e power minus x into x cube plus 3x square plus 6x plus 6, and the limits are 0 to infinity. If you substitute the upper limit, you get e power minus infinity. Obviously, it is 0. So upper limit completely 0. If you substitute the lower limit x is equals to 0, up to this term, they become 0, and there is constant 6. You get that only term. So minus 6. Minus 1 by 2 into minus 6. You get 3. So the mean x bar is equals to 3. The mean x bar is equals to 3. Let us go for next one, variance. Variance sigma square is equals to. Variance sigma square is equals to. What is the formula for variance? Sigma square is equals to integral x square f of x dx minus x bar square. Integral x square f of x dx minus x bar square. Substitute the terms. Integral 0 to infinity. Integral 0 to infinity. 1 by 2 x square e power minus x dx minus x bar square minus 9. Again, integral 0 to infinity x power 4. Integral 0 to infinity x power 4 e power minus x dx. this is nothing but the function, because here x square, here also x square into x square, you get x power 4. Again, apply integral fg formula, you get this step. Minus x power 4 e power minus x plus 4 into integral 0 to infinity x cube e power minus x dx minus 9. In the previous step, we calculate the same term. Here, please you observe that. Here you observe that integral x cube into e power minus x, integral x cube into e power minus x. You get this step, e power minus x into x cube plus 3x square plus 6x plus 6. So let us substitute the term here. Already we have 4 because of this calculation. Derivative of x power 4, sorry, derivative of x power 4, 4x cube. So we have already that constant 4. And here you must write 1 by 2, but I common the term to the outside. So 1 by 2 into 4 into e power minus x into x cube plus 3x square plus 6x plus 6. And the limits are 0 to infinity minus 9. Again, the upper limit is infinity, lower limit is 0. If you substitute the upper limit, you get 0. And if you substitute the lower limit, you get minus 24 from this. Minus 1 by 2 into minus 24. So upper limit minus lower limit. So minus of minus plus. Simply you get 12 minus 9, you get 3. Variance sigma square is equals to 3. Variance sigma square is equals to 3. That's it. And standard deviation is equals to square root of variance. It is equals to root 3. So observe that. Standard deviation is equals to square root of variance, which is equals to root 3. So these are the formulas which we use here, and all are important formulas. Practice these formulas. The first one, integral x e power x dx. These are very useful to solve the problems. Depends upon continuous random variables. Integral x e power x dx, x minus 1 into e power x. Integral x e power minus x dx, minus of x plus 1 e power minus x. Integral x square e power minus x dx is equals to x square minus 2x plus 2 into e power x. And e power minus infinity 0, e power infinity infinity, e power 0 1. And also you must learn this formula, integral x square e power minus x dx, minus of e power minus x, x square plus 2x plus 2. Again you learn this formula, integral fg. So to solve the problems depends upon continuous random variables, you must learn some properties or some formulas according to the integration. And also these are problems taken from integration, and these are from statistics. What is mean? Mean x bar is equals to integral x f of x dx. What is variance? Sigma square integral x square f of x dx minus x bar square. So practice the formulas. Standard deviation, square root of variance. Practice the formulas, then you become very familiar about the method as well as solution of the problem.